These sweet treats from Taco Bell called cinnamon twists are kind of mysterious. They're light and crispy like chicharrones or pork rinds, and they look like Italian rotini pasta, but actually they're neither of those. Well, I'm going to tell you what this secret ingredient is and how you can make Taco Bell cinnamon twists at home in under 2 minutes in this new episode of Top Secret Recipes. It's good to be back. All right, to make Taco Bell cinnamon twists at home, you'll just need 4 ingredients. That's it. Some oil, some sugar, some cinnamon, and then the secret ingredient, these. These are called Duros or Doritos. They go by different names, but they're used to make Mexican street snacks similar to what we're gonna make now. And you can't use, just so you know, a rotini, a traditional rotini style Italian pasta, not the same. So, getting the oil heated right here to 350 degrees. While that's happening, let's just mix this cinnamon and sugar together and just whisk it together in a bowl, like this. Super easy. My favorite part, right here. This is like magic. Watch. Take some of your Duros and gently put them into the oil. Right now, nothing's happening. And you might be thinking, Todd doesn't know what he's doing. What kind of recipe is this? Wait, we have life. There, floating to the top. This is good. When this happens, get your spoon ready and then just toss them around in the oil a little bit so that they'll get evenly cooked. And move them over to cooling rack. You've got your Duros all fried up. All you have to do now, take the cinnamon and sugar, sprinkle it over the top like this, and then toss it with a spoon as you go so they're all nicely coated. And that's it. You have just cloned Taco Bell cinnamon twists. Easy, right? Let's try one. It's good. Loud. Here, try one. Oh God, what do you think? Are they good? What? I can't hear you. What? Oh, good.